Серые дамы и господа, баранхемте дальше. Асастурду. Таймер бахом бахом. Аню, кем было, блядь, кипета. Да что случилось опять, а? Может через Steam попробую. Это кто? Закрыть. Да, подтверждаю. Окси, доктор, да. Завершить работу в транспортном отделе, да. Деревянные кости. Убить 30 преступников выстрелами в голову. Да. Газпол, ага. Гроза песчаник. Закрыть дело прокол. Ага, он набут. Гонка за квитанциями. Найти, изучить все розовые квитанции, выпущенные типографию марку. Мамину буду. Блядь. Отменить. Айва. Завоевал. Так, bu on juga tahap lain kenten, wasa полностью бартын бітірім барамын. Тугу on yok moram. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Там Modern Warfare и чего он толс перед запуском будет март ТикТока буду, это вообще охуенно. Если вы за, пишите. Так, тоқта. Қандай келіпті? Мынау водила ғыла тоже. Тоға мары бітіріма видео раунд дейтіндемін. Білім ғыла. Ваша игровая статистика может быть опубликована. Сюжет этой игры полностью вымышленный, стоит 10 года перехода в Лос-Анджелесе 1940-х годов. Угу. Персонажи, места и события также являются вымышленными или изменены таким образом. Помада цвета в крови. Я же теперь в отделе убийств. Пацан поднялся. А тут 18 плюс конкретно. А то я тоже 18 плюс.
Your beat?
Yes, sir. Well, part of it. Kids park here, they use it like a lover's lane. It's a working neighborhood. Some trouble, but nothing like this. It's known locally as the Moors.
You were first on the scene?
Yes, Detective.
No one's disturbed the body?
No, sir. We cleared out them vulture reporters so Pinker and the coroner could work. They're waiting to talk to you.
Go house to house and see what you come up with.
Так. Так. Судмедэксперт.
Carruthers,
Phelps, you make homicide?
looks like it. Galloway has been making me feel welcome.
I bet he has.
Has the scene been secured?
Patrolman Houlihan saw to it. The victim's personal effects are still where they fell.
Cause of death?
Could be the head injuries. She has been badly stalked. The cuts look superficial. I'll know for sure in an hour.
Оля,
Caused a
явно,
blunt
явно.
force injury to the face.
Травма
Could be anything from a baseball bat to a lug wrench. I'll have more details.
Бля,
after
bu
the-
var zadanie geldi yani to dядя. Behelatta.
What about this wound on the finger?
Something removed. A ring, most likely. I assume it was taken post-mortem.
Иди к черту, от текст.
Interesting.
What does the writing on the victim mean?
BD, Black Dahlia, Tex. Your guess is as good as mine. Could be something to it, or it could be the killer's trying to throw you off the scent. Either way, I'll run tests on the lipstick.
Any idea of the time of death?
From the temperature, I'd say after midnight. I'll confirm with you later.
The victim's bag? Looks brand new. Can't be the one used on the body.
Бесполезная штука ведь. Вот белый след очень интересно.
What can you tell me about the shoe prints?
Men's size 8s. Pinker lifted impressions for me to compare back at the lab.
Ага. След будто. Вроде. Просто коробки, да? О, ну то говорите. Это что?
Looks like some kind of puzzle.
Это не настольная игра. Головоломка. О, давай. Наконец-то хоть что-то новое. Стоп. Имущество клуба.
Bomba Club.
The Bamba
Why
Club.
steal a table lamp?
When we get to the Bomba, a man could die of thirst in a case like this.
Так. Буханlık номерiydi. A. B. A, B. 2 kere var da. Синьте ханlık istiyor. Ага. Все, поехали. Поехали, бро. Это что? А, просто коробка. Микки, красавчик. Тугет хидереп. Это я понимаю. Бамба Клаб. Ночной клуб и бар, где часто бывала жертва. Стоп, кто жертва такие-то? Улики. Ага, вот люди. Жертва убийства. Светлое. А, там опять притулок. Подозреваемый. Бля, 45 в размере не то, ребята. Это же важно, братан. Блин, бля, хурим ради. Это уже... Идёт куда 41 размер. Себастьян. Полиция Лос-Анджелеса.
Straight on.
The werewolf?
For my money, copycat.
We can't rule it out. We need to work the evidence.
You'd love that, wouldn't you? Big head to hang on your wall. Caller of the decade.
Да этот дурак, эти дебилы, блин.
Case for 6 months and got next.
There's a difference.
Oh, yeah?
I just started working it today.
Okay, Oddshot. What's more likely? The werewolf comes back around and gets another court?
He clearly has a thing for power. Power over women. Why not power over the police department as well?
Let me finish, fellas. Our guy opens his mouth again after 6 months of straight.
О, бля, ахам. Отдай этому. Просто еще один новый сериал вышел. Только что в этом году вышел. Сериал называется «Властелины воздуха». Советую. Пока үчүгөй HD резко качестволар берсе сериал бар. 6 таны кийгөрөн багабат ахарва переводтах.
Rip off the MO and get himself a freebie.
That's not totally fantastic.
Well, the Examiner and the Daily News might be good at coming up with markers, but they're terrible for police. There's a reason we didn't get the son of a bitch after the short murder. It was them, locusts.
Where do you think the werewolf killer is now?
Dead by his own hand, stationed somewhere else with the armed forces. San Quentin, another town, another country, who knows? So, Phillips, I understand you want to turn this into a big case, but it doesn't work like that, all right? A case will come and find you. You can't make it something it ain't, understand?
So you don't think the werewolf has continued to operate in the Los Angeles area?
No chance. We'll have found him. Stay on this road. Take the next right.
Calling all cars, citizen reports Austin Scalp, shots fired, officer down, 6th Street and Lindley Place, 6th Street, Lindley Place, Santiago Road.
That alleyway leads to the rear of the building, sir. Someone's gonna have to climb up and take him down.
Good luck. Don't let him get a beat on you like I did.
Cop killers are the
А
worst.
я... Я поймаю Яхма, блин, каким же вирус да
And a second blood.
А хорошо, я его.
Console the officer's family, but these guys are done.
Хатавлен напарни вообще нормальный гейвти, да. Она ангжоннор куду потто, бля. Хала абата гадне хажот. Такие он бастыгал. Сып-сап хюрагер. Ола отонах. Вот ты без титин то махджала бы достоин.
Don't turn here.
Я тебя вижу, Геринда. Здорово. У тебя стрим так себе идет. Мне все равно, как она там идет. Мне главное для себя, понимаешь? Я игру прохожу только для себя. А если я хочу постримить, то для меня такие игры, как в первую очередь это War Thunder и Tarkov. Escape from Tarkov имею в виду. А там вот такие вот сюжетные игры я для себя играю. Для своего удовольствия. А то, что там как стрим идет, ну если хотите смотреть, пожалуйста, смотрите ради бога. Если не нравится, то дело ваше, ребята. Я же вас не заставляю. Так, все, приехали.
I think he's a bit of a gangster. He treats me nice.
Gentlemen, what can I get you?
Phelps and Galloway, LAPD. Were you working here last night?
Yes. How can I help, officer?
You can start with your name.
Garrett Mason.
You're the regular bartender on nights?
I'm a temporary barman. I work for an agency. I fill in at bars across town.
Do you remember a woman who came in here last night? 5'7", about 110 pounds, blonde hair, about 40 years of age.
You mean Celine Henry?
Yes. Do you know anything about her?
I don't. But the owner, Mr. McCall, serves her most nights. Would you like to speak to him?
I would.
He sits at the back of the club. Wears a hibiscus. You can't miss him. Is there anything else?
Fire away, Phelps. I'll stay here. I'm a little parched. Pour me 3 fingers of rye.
Волна, красава. Сиди бухаешь, похуй вообще. Это он.
Detective Phelps, LAPD. We're investigating the murder of Celine Henry. Do you know her?
Celine?
Going to pay for that?
Christ. Sure, I know her. She and I and Jacob, her husband, we go way back.
She was here last night?
Sure, she's a regular. Celine was a lovely woman.
Так. Довольное лицо. А, нет, печальное.
If you're waiting for a free drink, it ain't coming.
Was Mrs. Henry here with anyone last night?
Not at first. Celine already had quite a head start.
But she attracted attention?
Certainly. A few gentlemen became very enamored with her and her stories. One guy in particular.
You know him?
No. He's been in a couple of times.
Did they leave together?
Yes. At around 11. If it helps, I made the guy's license plate.
Say, honey, what time did you get off waiting table?
A waitress. Can I have another spoon?
I think this could be a great help, sir. Thank you.
I'm afraid someday you leave me. Saying, can't we still be friends?
У жертвы украдено кольцо.
Mrs. Henry appeared to be missing a ring, torn from her finger, but not her wedding finger.
Celine always wore a red garnet ring on the large side. Larger than life, like Celine herself.
Did she have it a long time?
Sure. Since way back in her flying days.
Did her husband buy it for her?
No, it was before Jacob.
I think you know where the ring came from, and I think you're gonna tell me.
Okay, I bought it years ago. I carried a torch for Celine in those days. Guess I always have. Her old man never knew about it.
You know the husband?
Sure I know Jacob. He was in the Corps. He met Celine on a furlough and married her when the war was finished. Put up with a load of shit.
Do you think he killed his wife?
No. No, not in my opinion.
Сомневаюсь, нахуй. Кинь его в голову.
So if it wasn't Jacob, then you probably let her out of here with the guy who killed her. How do you feel about that?
Stow the attitude, will ya? I tried to get onto Jacob. I rang him up. Asked him to come pick her up like usual. But he refused. And she picked some night to push him over the edge. I rang him back around 11:30, but got no answer.
Thanks, Mr. McCall. You've been a big help. One more thing. Would you have an address for Celine?
142 North Union Avenue. God knows I had to send her home in enough
Здорово,
times
Макс.
to remember that.
Так,
Sam is taking.
сейчас подойду-ка.
A waitress. Can I have another spoon? Say, honey, what time did you get off waiting table?
Так. Все, я на месте. Так, мне позвонить надо, позвонить.
Let's get out of here.
Hey, what's the hurry? My stool was just starting to warm up nicely.
Where's that goddamn waitress?
Ну звони, звони.
Operator, give me R&I.
Putting you through now.
Phelps, badge 1247.
How can I help, Detective?
I need a registered owner on a license plate, 2boy8899.
Yes, Detective. I'll need to contact the
8899.
DOB. Shall I relay the details via KGPL?
Please. Thank you.
Eggs running.
Он же в машине сидит, охуеть, красавчик. Это он с меня генера. Вот он шики где? Давай на карту посмотрим. Прямо выходим. Едем до сюда. Короче. О! Место преступления. Я думал, пистолеты продавать буду.
Find the booze helps you get
Да, пропустите-ка полицейских, твою мать.
A smart lawyer might use that to throw out anything you collect today.
A smart man might know it's unwise to stand between the patient and his medicine.
As long as you're not falling over, Rusty, I'll let it slide.
That's mighty kind of you, Phelps. You know, you picked the wrong job if a healthy thirst offends you, Cole.
We owe it to this city to do the best we can in this position. As homicide detectives, that responsibility is all the more serious.
Always the politician.
It's not political, it's practical. Maybe the men combing Hollywood Boulevard after the Elizabeth Short murder were more interested in sniffing out booze than the clues that would have led to her killing.
Yeah, well, if only you'd been there, choir boy. Betty Short would be alive, the Japs would have spared Pearl Harbor, our ancestors wouldn't have tasted the forbidden fruit.
Minor syntactical error, Detective Galloway. I never claimed to be able to prevent crimes. I only suggested a proficiency in solving them. Guess that's the drink slowing you down.
Oh my God, brother, oh brother. Worse than I could ever have imagined.
KGPL 20 Central Unit. The citizen reports a man with a gun on Grand between 4th and 5th.
Вооружение пришло, поехали.
Identify.
Up ahead, you turn left. making a right at the next intersection. You don't need to turn here. Keep on straight. Don't turn here. Take the next right. You're taking the next left.
KGPL 20 Century Unit. The citizen reports a man with a gun on Grand between 4th and 5th. Any Century Unit identified.
This is car 11K. Go ahead.
11K. Citizen reports a man with a gun on Grand between 4th and 5th Streets. Suspect described.
Please, you've got to call for help. He doesn't look real good.
Quick, what happened?
Some punk held up my stand. This guy tried to help and got a bullet for his trouble. He got hit and hightailed it through the parking lot. Get going!
Блядь, туран, бля. Блядь, туран.
KGPL 20 Century Unit. The citizen reports a man with a gun on Grand between 4th and 5th. Any Century Unit identify.
Please, you've got to call for help. He doesn't look real good.
Quick, what happened?
Some punk held up my stand. This guy tried to help and got a bullet for his trouble. He got hit and hightailed it through the parking lot. Get going!
Sleepwalking, get me back in close.
You come any closer, I'll pull the trigger. Put the weapon down now.
What the hell? What are you waiting for, Phelps? Up and at him.
Car 11K calling KGPL. Shots fired. Suspect is down. We're code 4, but I need an ambulance on Grand between 4th and 5th Streets.
Я, блядь, так и не понял. Код 4 туда. Убийство, что ли? Только когда я тот раз убивал, кода 4 такого никогда не было. А вот когда убили наше полицейское, был код 4. А сейчас-то полицейский не умер. Или я кого-то убил. Хрень его знает. Ну я этих убил. Подозреваемых. Бля, Тахар.
Take the next left.
Kayınlarıydı bu canlar. Çok. Oh ya, doktor da. Короче, снова отключаюсь. Бля, заебан скорой помощь нагревать. Потом приеду.